Alright, so I've got the new air filter in. I got the airbox top on. It's a bit fiddly fuck. Make sure the pleats aren't sticking out in the front. I'm sure they aren't. And then you gotta clip these back on. Don't get pinched. Make sure you push it from the outside and put your finger in there, because that's gonna hurt. You're gonna be trapped. So that's all there is to it. Just one thing to watch out for was the old air filter had a bunch of crap on top of it, and if I lifted it off, it would all fall into the intake. That's bad. So I used first I used the vacuum the top of the dirty air cleaner. Then I used compressed air to blow all the crap out on the front edge. And then I lifted this off. So that's the proper way to do it. And yeah, I'm good for another 10,000 kilometers or so, according to the service manual. So that's it. Thanks for watching.